Bangladesh is a country full of natural resources. We are proud of our soil, forests, flowers, fruits, and birds. The country is gifted with plentiful of fauna due to its geographical location. Birds are one of them. Today, we will read about a bird known as Benabo in Bangla and black-headed oriole in English. The black-headed oriole is a bird of the plum lane of Bangladesh. Its body and head are of a deep yellow color. Its throat, its tail, and some parts of its wings are black. Its black is red. It looks like a mana and it's about 25 centimeters in length. It is seen in Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and some other countries. The black-headed oriole is a very stately and restless bird. It never stays at one spot for long. It eats all kinds of worms and insects. Its call is quite sweet and pleasant. The black-headed oriole builds round shaped beautiful nests with dry grasses and barks of trees. Both the male and the female take part in building the nest. The black-headed oriole lays two or three eggs at a time.